If you own an older Benz VITO, you know that the gear shift knob often feels like an afterthought. This replacement claims to fix that entire experience, transforming a mundane task into something genuinely satisfying. We're looking at the 6-speed gear shift knob, specifically designed for the W639 VITO models from 2003 to 2010, complete with the Gator boot cover. The first thing you notice is the ergonomic design. It's not just a round ball, it's shaped to fit the palm perfectly. The claim here is smooth and effortless shifting, and honestly, the improved grip alone makes a huge difference in the tactile feedback. When you're rowing through those 6 gears, especially in a vehicle used for work or long hauls, comfort matters immensely. Now let's talk materials. The description mentions high-quality ABS, aluminum, or leather options. This resistance to wear, scratches, and fading is absolutely key. The original knobs in these older vans often look terrible after years of heavy use, but this premium construction promises long-lasting durability, keeping that interior looking fresh and professional. Installation is where this product really shines for the average user. It's a direct replacement design. No special tools, no complicated modifications. You simply remove the old, worn-out knob and click this new head shifter lever stick right into place. That ease of installation means anyone can upgrade their interior in about 5 minutes flat, which is a huge win for DIYers. Aesthetically, it definitely delivers. The modern and sleek look instantly enhances the vehicle's interior, giving the VITO a much-needed touch of sportier refinement. While the listing mentions wide compatibility, let's be real. If you have a W639 VITO, this is tailor-made for you, and the fitment is spot on, especially with the integrated Gator boot. Overall, if your VITO's interior is starting to show its age, this gear shift knob is a fantastic, low-cost upgrade that provides immediate, tangible results in both comfort and style. It's a small change, but it makes a massive difference every single time you drive.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.